Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and for my first video for 2024 we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret by Mini GT. Okay, for my first video for this year, 2024, I decided to unbox and feature this one. I got this model a couple of months ago in 2023, and I'm not a Skyline or GTR fan, but I kind of like the color and the wheel. The color of the body color and the wheels. Okay, I kind of like it and decided to get this one, and why not? So to start it off, typical Mini GT box. Okay, released here in Asia, so it doesn't come in a blister pack. Okay, ordinary box with a plastic heat shrink. Okay, just like any other typical Mini GT model, and at the back it says TSM model, Nissan Motor Corporation official licensed product, and the hologram sticker of TSM. Okay, so nothing much, or rather this is item number 531 from Mini GT. So let's open this one up. And while I am opening this one, I would like to thank all of you guys who supported me last year in my Facebook and Instagram. Okay, I reached 1,000 followers or likes, what they call that in Facebook, and also in Instagram. The numbers are slowly increasing, and also here in YouTube. Okay, so now that we have removed the plastic packaging, we're going to open this one up. Okay, here we go. The usual Mini GT comes with this plastic packaging. Okay, model sits very nice on this one. Okay, I'm going to open this one up, and here you go. Very good model. Okay, right out of the box, very good color. This one is color blue, Bayside blue as they call it. Okay, very good one. Okay, to start it off, wheels. Okay, I'm not quite familiar with this type of wheels, but it's colored gold or bronze. A very good color combination with this one, with the body, Bayside blue body. Okay, very good rubber threaded tires. Okay, and it rolls smoothly. Yes, it does. Okay, very good. Body is made out of full die-cast metal. Okay, and also the spoilers. Okay, spoilers are metal. Okay, before we go into that, we're going to look at the sides. Okay, here you go. Has some panel lines. Okay, kind of shallow for my taste. Nonetheless, they're good. Okay, even the door handles. Okay, the sleek body of the Nissan Skyline. Okay, very good representation. Okay, very well made. Okay, has some details on the fender lamps. Okay, the signal lights. Okay, the fender lights there. Okay, colored orange. Okay, it's painted. Windows are clear. Okay, you can very well see the interiors. Okay, before I forget, we'll take a closer look at the interiors first. Okay, very good details, if you could see. Front dashboard. Okay, don't know if it's clear. Okay, this is a right-hand drive model. Okay, good details but no colors. Okay, all painted black. Okay, right-hand drive, there you go. Even the rear seats, okay, has details on it. I don't know if it's clear, but very good. Okay, let me adjust the light. Okay, there you go. Let's go in the front. Very good one. Okay, start off with the bumpers. Okay, bumpers are very good details. Okay, very good design, very good mold. There has signal lights. Okay, they're like painted orange on both sides. Okay, has the oil intercooler in front. Okay, and also I'll take note of this one. I don't know what you call this. These are air dams. Okay, has honeycomb design. Okay, very good details. Okay, on both sides. Okay, bumper has front chins. Okay, it's part of the mold. It's colored black. Okay, it's painted black. Okay, moving on to the headlights. These are clear plastic inserts. Okay, no details on the inside, but still very good. In the front grille, it's the same honeycomb design. Very good details, and the GTR logo in front. Okay, there. Okay, moving on to the hood. Okay, this one has a carbon fiber hood. Okay. Slight tampos on it. Okay, and if you could very well see, very good details. Look at the mold on the hood. Very good details. And also the fusion, what's that? The fusion or tampo also on the hood. Okay, front windshield clear plastic, has some details, has some wipers on front. Okay, and on the roof is plain. And moving on to the rear. Okay, start off here. The rear hood. Okay, the rear cover, what do you call that? Hood cover. Okay, the rear cover, rear hatch cover, also has the same carbon fiber finish as the hood. Very good one. Okay, even the spoiler, which I mentioned earlier, is also made out of metal. Same mold, has the same carbon fiber finish. Okay, like a tampo on it. Very good one. Spoiler is, as I said, metal with metal stays, so it means it's part of the mold. Okay, and what's so striking is the rear fascia are those taillights. Okay, these are Skyline. Okay, I like to call them that because once you see these taillights, okay, you could very well identify it as a Nissan Skyline. Okay, those are big red round tail lights. Those are plastic inserts. Okay, red ones, very good one. And the bumper, okay, normal, typical bumper, has some details on it. Okay, there's a red and the white lamps. Okay, I think these are reflectors. This is a reverse lamp. Okay, has a license plate. Okay, it says Top Secret. Okay, Top Secret is one of the tuning companies in Japan. Okay, typical, they usually tune Nissan Skylines. Okay, and also there's this ORC logo there at the rear. Okay, and also muffler tip made out of plastic, painted silver or chrome, if you want to call it that way. Very good details. Okay, let's go to the rear. Typical Mini GT, has metal base. Okay, very good details. Okay, has Mini GT markings. Okay, it's a Nissan Skyline GTR R34, and also those details. Okay, very good details. I don't mind if Mini GT didn't paint this one, but could have been better. But nonetheless, they really look good. Details are very good. Okay, so there you have it. My first Mini GT, my first video for 2024, and my first Mini GT R34. Okay, before I forget, for size comparison, I'm going to bring this one out. This is the Mini GT Honda S2000. Okay, since I mentioned this is my first R34, so I cannot compare it with other R34 models. So for size, I only have this what they call JDM Honda S2000, still from Mini GT. Okay, I'm going to place them side by side. Okay, that's for size comparison. Okay, and for the rear. Okay, nice. Okay, so there you have it. My first video for 2024. The Nissan Skyline R34 Bayside Blue from Mini GT. And thank you for supporting me in 2023, and I hope you guys continue to support me for this year, 2024. Hope you guys like this video, and I'm going to leave this on the turntable, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.